Hey, this is Buck Bonners at MarineMax Lake Lanier, standing on the back of a new trade-in. This is a 2017 Boston Whaler 320 Vantage. This is one of my favorite boats in the Boston Whaler lineup. It does a great job of doing a little bit of everything for everyone. It's not geared toward just your hardcore fishermen, also the luxury leisure day boating segment. This boat performs phenomenal on the water with its twin 350 horsepower engines. This boat has only 252 hours on these engines, so they're still getting broke in. Standing here on the back of the boat, you notice we have some rod holders here, so you can bring as many rods and tackle as you want on board. Lots of storage. Also, you have your hard top rod holders as well. As we step toward the cockpit here, you notice we have sea deck all the way from the bow to the stern of this boat. The previous owner had the sea deck installed. It matches beautifully. It looks great. In the aft portion of the cockpit here, you notice we have this expansive bench seat, so you have plenty of room for you and your guests to ride comfortably. Lots of seating throughout this boat. You'll notice it as we move forward as well. An aft bench here, another bench here on the port side. This seat also can swivel completely around facing backward, as well as this seat here can transform into a forward-facing lounge. If you flip this around, you have an aft-facing lounge or just a massive sun pad over here, all underneath our hardtop. Going back again, we have our extending sunshade run out, so this can provide shade to everyone in the aft portion of this boat. Not everybody has to cram under the hardtop here. They can be sitting all the way back towards the engines, all the way up to the windshield. This boat is equipped with the dual live wells, so we have a nice bait station here with some tackle drawers, storage drawers as well. And on the starboard side, we're going to have another live well here with built-in wet bar, refrigerator, and some more storage drawers. One thing you don't want to leave out as well is the dive door over here. If you want to pull in a big catch or just provide easy access for you and your guests in and out of the water on a day at the sandbar. So moving up towards the helm, we have a very well-appointed helm, dual Raymarine units here. We can run our chart plotter so you always know where you're going. You can leave breadcrumb trails. If you want to do a little bit of exploring, make sure you make it back. We have our fish finder, transducer, as well as our Mercury vessel view. This will be all of our engine diagnostics and data displayed right here. Driving this boat, it is an absolute dream. This is, twin 350s JPO, so joystick piloting, meaning you can use this joystick to move this boat sideways, rotate the boat on its own axis. You do not have to be a certified captain to dock this boat. It is extremely easy to do so. On the port side, we also have our cuddy here. So you do have space here for someone to go get out of the sun. You have great storage in there. This here converts. You can put a filler cushion there and have a little bit of more of a berth, as well as those cushions there are your bow filler cushions for the bow of the boat. Moving forward, we have a very nice, well-appointed head here. I'll move out of the way so you can take a look. You've got your teak flooring. You have a nice little seat flip down if you did want to shower, as well as a wet bar in there also. And then moving up towards the bow, again, you have a filler cushion here that can insert in between these cushions, turning this area into a massive sun pad for you and your guests to hang out, catch some rays during the day. Flip down armrests. We do have a table as well that inserts here, so you can turn this into a nice little dinette area as well if you want to have a glass of wine in the evenings or something and watch the sunset. And then moving up to the very tip up here, we have our bow ladder as well as access to our windlass. So push button anchor retrieve and deployment, as well as if you're up to the sandbar, people can board the front of the boat and get on and off, making it extremely easy for everyone. And then we also have freshwater sprayers throughout the boat for washing the boat down after you're done using the boat for the day. Again, this is at MarineMax Lake Lanier. Come see us today and take a look at the boat yourself.